By 2035, new gas-powered cars will be banned in California and likely New York. And according to experts, just switching to electric cars isn't a complete solution, as the electrical grid will need infrastructure investments to fully support that much demand. So what are some alternatives to EVs? Hydrogen cars, aka fuel cell cars, are developed and sold by Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai. Their fuel source is hydrogen, and the compressed gas can power the cars for up to 400 miles on a full cell, with the only emission being water vapor. However, in the US, hydrogen refueling stations are, for now, only available in California. Even within California, stations are largely limited to big cities like Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Francisco. So for the hydrogen car market to be a solid option, the fueling infrastructure needs to be extended significantly. And what about cars powered by the sun? That's the technology being developed by Aptera, a Southern California solar vehicle startup. With a combination of solar and electric power, these futuristic-looking cars can drive up to 1,000 miles, depending on sun exposure, the number of solar panels, and the battery range. While it's an option with a lot of potential, the technology for this is still fairly new. It is very unlikely that only one type of these cars will be sufficient to meet Americans' needs. These sustainable car technologies will need to work together to completely replace gas guzzlers.